Hey guys, today I am going to be doing a little craft with these. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Donna. This is my Wonderland, and here on this channel we do crafting, Scentsy home fragrance, and a little bit of decluttering as well. More decluttering coming in the new year for sure. Vlogmas has definitely taken over this December, and I haven't been able to get to some of the decluttering projects that I want to do, but anybody who knows me knows that I absolutely love stationery. I am absolutely one of those people that can spend hours and hours in Paper Chase, looking at all the different pens, looking at all the notebooks, thinking about all the wonderful things that I could write in these notebooks that I buy and then leave blank, or use but never go back to because I completely forget which notebook I have written in. So I'm going to be changing things up in the new year. I am going to be doing a decluttering video where I try to get every single pen and every single notebook in my house and decide whether they need to go in the bin or whether I'm keeping them. Because pens, how many pens run out? How many times you pick up a pen in your house and it's like, well, that's run out, and you just put it back down. You don't put it in the bin, you put it back down, you grab another one until you find a pen that actually works. Then you do whatever it is you need to do, and then all the ones that don't work just stay there, and the next time you need a pen, same thing happens. It's ridiculous. So I've definitely got that issue in my house, and as much as I love stationery, I am trying to be a more sustainable girly, and trying to be a little bit more minimal with the amount of stuff I have in my house. So if you've been around for a while, you will have seen me do my wardrobe declutter. You will have seen me declutter my bookcase, and do some other bits and bobs around the house. So I will be doing more of that in the new year. So if any of that interests you, then please do consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be informed when I next upload. Now today we are doing a quick little craft, and you are going to need some sandwich bags, and I thought this was great. This is a great like Christmas Eve thing to do with the kids. If you have the grandchildren over at any point, or you've got children that are little, even older children, I'm sure my daughter would like to do this because she likes to be a little bit crafty. So this is a little fun activity that you can do. It's quick, it's simple. Hopefully, I have not tried it out. I have got enough to do two. So I'm going to do it with you guys, and if it completely fails, I can try again, but I only have the ability to do two. So what we are going to do is we are going to be making kind of the Christmas star / snowflake type thing, and for that you are going to need 8 sandwich bags. Now I've got the white ones just because I had them for something I was doing with Scentsy, so I've got them here. You can use the brown craft ones, it depends on what you want to do. So you can get these off of Amazon. I will link to some in the description below for you, but I'm sure you can pick them up in stores somewhere, maybe B&M, that kind of place, where you can just pick up these paper sandwich bags. So I am going to flip you down so you can see what I'm doing, and we're going to give this a go, guys. This is real life, so if it goes completely wrong, you're going to see it go completely wrong, but it's a really simple, really effective looking craft that I thought I would love to share with you guys. So let's do it. Okay guys, so I've got the sandwich bags here, and I have also got some PVA glue. Now I haven't used this in ages. It has got a bit of tin foil over it, so I'm hoping it's going to work okay. I don't know if the lid will work okay. Maybe I won't use the lid. So I'm just going to move those up here, and what we're going to do, move my wire out the way, is we are going to glue these together. So we're going to put a little bit of glue along here and a little bit of glue along here. So let me put my cap on. She says no, that doesn't want to glue on. Okay, so we're gonna freeform it, guys. Oh, this could be messy. So a bit of glue along there, bit of glue along there, and then you're going to do it so that this part is alternated. So this one is facing up, so we're going to face this one down. Oh. Okay, and then the next one we are going to do the other way up. So I've put a little bit too much on there, so I'm going to be a bit more sparse with it. For the next one, and this one is facing down, so this one is going to face up. You're just trying to line them up nicely. And then again, we're doing this 8 times, guys, so for 8 bags. Okay, so I have glued all of those together. I am going to leave this for a little bit to dry before we move on to the next thing that we need to do with them, just to make sure that they are stuck well, and then I will come back and continue. Okay, so I'm hoping that this is dry enough now to play with. So what you want to do is, once you have stuck your lunch bags together, you're not going to go down to this part where it's all of those layers where this part is. So you're going to start above that and use this area here. And what we're going to do is very much like when you fold paper up and make snowflakes, we're going to do a design. I'm just going to gently do this with pencil. You can just go in with the scissors and start cutting straight away, but I am a bit more, I don't know, a bit more of a perfectionist, I suppose, and I want a design. So that is going to be our first cut to make the kind of star shape out of that. And then what we can do is very much like when you do in snowflakes, you can come in and make some patterns. And some shapes. And see what happens. So I think I'm just going to do that. It's like a little bit like a tiger. Maybe I can fit, I don't know. I think I'll just do that. So I'm going to do cut-ish where I have made those cuts. This is where it could all go wrong. A really good sharp pair of scissors would be good here. Now my scissors aren't really good and really sharp, but we will try our best. Obviously it's a lot of layers that it's going through. So there we have it, and then we are going to cut into these shapes. This is where I realise how deathly blunt my scissors actually are. I'm glad you guys can't see my face. I've got that concentration thing going on. Wait, stick your tongue out. Do you stick your tongue out when you concentrate? Is that something you do? If you do, then pop that in the comments below. That's concerning. We will see. Yeah, if you are a tongue sticker outer, hit the like button, let me know. And if you're just enjoying the video, then hit the like button and let me know, because that helps me know the sorts of things that you like to see, and also helps support the channel as well. So I don't know, I did watch a video on this where she did it very quickly as part of a video of other things, and I thought, oh, it'd be nice to do a video where that's a bit more explained and people can see what you're doing. And I swear to God, she used regular scissors, but I'm not so sure they are the best option. She only did one cut, so we will see. This might go very, very wrong, and if it does, you're here to see it with me. So okay, so I have done my cuts. There is bits falling out all over the place. I've made a complete mess. We are going to see if this turns out like it should or not. So let me just tidy this mess up and we'll come back for the reveal. Okay guys, I completely have not looked at this. I did not do it. I thought I'm gonna do it with you guys live and we will see if it turns into a disaster. Now I'm not sure that it is fully dry, so I'm not going to pull too much, but the idea is that you would then open it up. And you will have created a snowflake star thing. So if I can bring those two pieces together. And you would stick those together. And I quite like it. I don't think that is too bad at all. I think maybe I cut too much because I haven't gone into this part because I didn't want it to destroy the concertina. So I think maybe I cut too much, and maybe it would actually be better if you just did down the edges with the glue, so that the middle part can open up more, because the middle is stuck together. So where this kind of opens, you want these long bits to kind of be able to open in the middle as well, and they're stuck down. So it is a bit middle heavy, but it's great fun. And you can play around with it and see if you can do better. I will link to the video that I watched where she did this. She definitely didn't do as many cuts as I did. She did like one cut, so maybe I will give it another go. I'm going to do this set here, give it another go, and I will let you see the result of this one doing just that one cut. So let's have a look. Okay guys, so I gave it another go. What I did this time was I did 4 at a time and actually cut it before I stuck it, which means that I've got this unevenness to it, but I'm not bothered about that because it made it easier to cut. So we will see. I also wonder if the American bags are slightly different on the sides, but I don't know. So let's pull this out and see what we've got. There we go. So these, I've got the glue has seeped out a little bit because of the way I cut it, but I think that is better than the other one. It's a bit more substantial. I think perhaps you don't even need to make these cuts so big if you just kind of curve the top of them or something, or just do a point up here rather than going so far down to the bottom of the bags, maybe that would be better. But these are quick, simple. You can have a play around with them. I'm going to hang both of these up in my window. Why not? And yeah, they're just a quick little craft. Now you could do, I mean, these obviously cheap enough that you could just do them next year, but if you wanted to be able to keep them, you could do maybe double-sided sticky tape here, and stick 2 pieces of tape together, so you can maybe try and undo them, but I'm just going to glue it and enjoy it for the season, and then we will change it. So there you have it, my 2 Christmas star type things. I think they're great fun. I think the kids will have a ball doing them. You can hang them up in your windows, maybe your back windows, I don't know. You can hang them up in your windows. They will look cute. This one is a little bit floppy because I think I've cut too much away. This one is a little bit better, but yeah, maybe I will try next year to do them, and just like I say, just take off the very edges up here and leave the rest together to make it more like the stars. I don't know. But if you have a go at these, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this little craft, then please hit the like button. If you are new, pop a red heart in the comments. I'd love to say hello and thank you to you for watching one of my videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me for another crafting video. I will be back tomorrow with another video. We are very close to the end of Vlogmas now, so let me know. Are you ready for Christmas? Are you getting excited at home? Have you got excited children? Also, please, don't let the pressure get to you this year. It's a hard time for a lot of people. I completely understand that. I'm feeling it this year. I know a lot of people are. To me, Christmas is about getting together with your family over presents. I have tried to gear my family towards it, and we've all done that. No adult gifts, only children gifts for a few years now. I think it works really well and takes a lot of the pressure off of spending too much, and also reducing, obviously my daughter's 21 now, reducing the amount of stuff the kids get, because they do tend to get from other people as well. We don't have to go all out. We don't have to spend an absolute fortune. Although children want everything, I know, it is really important that they just have the love and support that they need. So if it's fewer presents this year, please don't feel guilty about that. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. Spend the time with the family, do fun things together. Things like this that don't cost much. Time with your family is so important. So until my next video, guys, sending you lots of love, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.